In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit homepage on Salesforce. We'll keep it simple and clear so you can confidently update your homepage layout and put the most important information front and center for your users. Start by opening the Home tab. In the top navigation bar, click Home to bring up your current homepage. If you're working in a different app and don't immediately see Home in the navigation, switch to an app that includes it so you have the right page in view. This ensures you're editing the home page that your users actually see. Next, enter Edit Mode. Look to the top right corner of the home page and click the Setup Gear icon. From the menu, choose Edit Page. This opens the Lightning App Builder specifically for the home page. If this is your first time editing it, Salesforce automatically creates a copy of the standard page so you can customize it safely without changing the original template. If you don't see the Edit Page option, check that you have the necessary permissions to customize pages in your org. Inside the Lightning App Builder, you'll see the current home page layout in the center, a panel of components on the left and properties on the right. This is where the magic happens. You can drag and drop components like dashboards, report charts, lists, rich text, and tasks into different regions of the page. Use these regions to create a clear visual hierarchy. Place the most important content near the top so it's visible at a glance. Click any component on the canvas to open its settings. Here, you can choose which dashboard or report to display, select a specific list view, adjust titles, and fine-tune properties to match what your team needs. If a component is no longer useful, remove it to reduce clutter and improve performance. As you arrange things, aim for balance. Avoid overcrowding the page and keep components focused on actionable information. For example, a single well-configured dashboard and a concise tasks list often deliver more value than many competing charts. Use rich text to call out announcements or link to key resources your users need frequently. When you're satisfied with your layout and component settings, click Save. Saving preserves your changes so you can return later to refine them without losing your work. It's a good habit to save periodically while you iterate, especially if you're testing different layouts or data sources. That's all there is to it. Open the Home tab, enter Edit Mode with the gear icon, customize in the Lightning App Builder, and save your changes. Thanks for watching, and happy building.